Orchid, what if I told you that the expensive apps you're paying for, Photoshop, Grammarly, Zoom, Canva, Notion, all have free AI alternatives that are not just cheaper, but actually better? Today, I'll show you 5 insane AI tools that replace expensive paid software. And the crazy part? They're 100% free, insanely powerful, and almost nobody knows they exist. Stick to the end, because the last one replaces two $50 per month tools at the same. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to save you money, save you time, and save you from the trap of overpriced apps. Let's jump straight into the list. Tool 1. Photopea Free Alternative. 2. Adobe Photoshop, $21 per month. If you've ever wanted to use Photoshop but couldn't afford the subscription, this AI-powered Photoshop alternative is a blessing. Photopea is everything. Photoshop is. Checkmark. Layers. Checkmark. Filters. Checkmark. Masks. Checkmark. Retouch tools. Checkmark. Object removal. Checkmark. Smart cutout. Checkmark. PSD support. And guess what? It opens PSD files, the exact same files Photoshop uses. Creators use it for thumbnail editing, removing backgrounds, retouching images, creating banners, fixing colors, manipulating photos, graphic designs. You can literally replicate 80 to 90% of Photoshop features right in your browser. No installation, no subscription, no restrictions. If you want pro-level editing for free, Photopea is the ultimate choice. Tool 2. I love IMG plus I love PDF AI free alternative. 2. Canva Pro, $13 per month. This AI combo is insane. Together, I love IMG plus I love PDF give you background removal, AI resizing, compress, AI enhanced quality, convert images, convert PDFs, edit, text, create mockups, watermark editing, batch image, editing crop, rotate, optimize. You get a complete editing suite, all free. For creators, students, and office workers, this combo removes the need for Canva Pro, Adobe Acrobat, expensive PDF tools. And the biggest advantage? It works on any device, mobile, desktop, even Chrome browser. Tool number 3, Crisp AI Free Alternative. 2. Zoom Noise. Cancellation $14.99 per month. Crisp is a magical AI tool that removes background noise completely. Barking dogs, traffic sounds, air conditioner, keyboard typing. Gone. Crisp uses real-time AI voice isolation that removes noise, clears speech, boosts voice quality, enhances audio clarity, makes you sound like a studio mic. You can use it for Zoom calls, Google Meet, Discord, YouTube voiceovers, online classes, remote work meetings. This tool alone feels like a cheat code for online communication. Tool 4. ChatPDF Free Alternative. 2. Notion AI plus ChatGPT, plus $20 per month. ChatPDF is a must-use tool in 2025. Why? It reads any PDF and gives you summaries, explanations, answers, insights, key points, breakdowns, examples, study notes. Upload any document, textbook, research paper, contract, manual, business, PDF, assignment, reports, and ChatPDF converts the entire thing into a simple chat conversation. Instead of reading 50 pages, you ask, explain this in simple words, or give a summary in 10 bullet points. Instant results. For students, office workers, and researchers, this tool saves hours of reading. Tool 5. Descript Free Alternative. 2. Adobe Premiere Pro plus Audition, $30 to $50 per month. Descript is unbelievable. This single tool replaces both video editing, audio editing, and everything is AI-powered. Descript does remove filler words, remove background noise, auto subtitles, auto timeline generation, screen recording, audio cleanup, podcast editing, voice retiming, sound balancing, smart cut, text to audio correction. Imagine editing videos simply by editing text. Delete a sentence, that part of video is cut. Fix a mistake. AI voice replaces it. For YouTubers, podcasters, teachers, this is a dream tool. Bonus tool, Clipchamp AI free alternative. 2. Final Cut Pro / Filmora / Premiere Rush. Clipchamp is one of the best free editors ever. You get auto captions, AI voiceover, AI templates, background remover, green screen, speed ramp, timeline editing, transitions, effects, stock videos, premium fonts, and everything is optimized for beginners. If you're making shorts, reels, faceless videos, this tool feels like magic. Why these AI tools matter. The world is changing. Big companies want you to pay monthly pay for upgrades, pay for premium tools. But in 2025, AI gives you free alternatives that are even better. These tools, checkmark, save money, checkmark, boost productivity, checkmark, replace expensive apps, checkmark, make content creation easier, checkmark, level the playing field. All you need is a browser and willingness to learn. That's it. Conclusion. You now know the 5 best AI tools that can replace expensive paid apps. And every single one of them is 100% free. If you want part 2, comment or free AI below. And if you're serious about growing with AI in 2025, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.